On 28th February and 1st March, Seva Bharat organized a workshop on urban strategy for Seva. The workshop was organized in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Human Settlement. 60 members from all locations under this project and with different trade groups including beedi workers, agarbatti workers, papad workers, domestic workers, street vendors, construction workers, waste pickers participated in this workshop. The members belonged to the states of Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh. On the first day of the workshop, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Director of Seva Bharat, outlined the purpose of the workshop.
सेवा के जो अलग-अलग जगह पे काम चल रहे हैं शहरी क्षेत्र में, उसकी क्या रणनीति होनी चाहिए, वो उसका भविष्य कैसा होना चाहिए.
Later on, brainstorming session was done to understand members' urban relation, including process and reason behind them.
ये थोड़ा समझने को आ रहा है कि शहर और गांव रहने में थोड़े फर्क हैं.
यहाँ पे है तो जो हम ऊंचाई पे चढ़ना भी चाहते हैं तो दो औरतें तो हमें चाहेंगे कि हाँ हम चढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन चार औरतें यही सोचेंगे कि इन्हें गिराने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Becoming urban, such as original inhabitants, migration and natural growth. Disadvantages and advantages of urban and rural area, links and connection between urban and rural, that is, do members go to their native place? How often do they go? Relatives, cultural links with rural area, ownership patterns, what do they own in rural areas and urban area? Flow of goods, services and money between urban and rural area. During this session, members spoke about what they understood by urban and how did they become urban. Members spoke about differences in urban and rural areas, issues faced in both the areas, how things have changed and evolved over years, distinct characteristics of urban areas. The discussion was followed by the resource person from Indian Institute of Human Settlement speaking about how urban is defined through legal terms, where information was given on when a village becomes a town and when a town becomes a city. He also gave an overview on each town where project is functional and how members perceive their town to be. Groups were divided on the basis of home-based, street vendors, waste pickers and allied services. Each group was facilitated by a facilitator where members discussed issues pertaining to their work and living and transporting and explored broad themes of their work.
नीति और शासन में इसका बहुत प्रभाव पड़ता है कि जहां आप रहते हो क्या उसे गांव बुलाया जाता है या उसे शहर बुलाया.
On the second day, discussion was based on locations and members were divided as per state groupings of Bihar, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. Key issues on sanitation, waste, health, housing, water, transport and electricity.
बिजली का भी परेशानी है.
बहुत मीटर मीटर लगा दिए सब बाहर. बेचारे गरीब लोगों ने कितना 2-3 हजार रुपए 4-4 हजार रुपए कहाँ से महीने के भरे.
Alongside government services were discussed.
अस्पताल में फ्री में तो ऐसी फ्री में दवा करी है. कई बच्चा को ग्लूकोज की जगह पानी चला दिया.
On the final day of the workshop, Mr. Gautam from Indian Institute of Human Settlement, who was also the resource person, summarized key discussion points from previous days. Sharing of members on significant aspect was done.
क्या बदलना चाहिए हमारे और सरकार के ताल्लुकात के बीच कि नीतियां हम चला पाएं.
पता लगाना चाहिए कि क्या क्या योजना चलती है और योजना का पूरी जानकारी लेके मैं बहनों को बताना चाहिए और बहनों को जागरूक करना चाहिए कि योजना को उसको लेना ही चाहिए.
Rinana Ben spoke about how urban relation has changed over the years and what were the trends in urban areas. Members also spoke about what they would do in their respective locations once they get back.